I'll keep my eye out for a good one.
Soon. The next thing I purchase is
Well, yeah,
a bike.
I know. I'm just saying, I'll keep my eye out.
The next thing I get is a bike. I will have one soon.
I want to get my dad's old bike. The guy that he gave it to still has it. Yeah.
I want one so badly. I just don't want to pay for it.
His was an 86 Harley, shit, I forgot what it was called. But it's an 86. There's so many. It's like wherever you look, it's just trucks. Trucks.
Yeah, that's farm use.
What do you say? Farm use? I don't know. Damn, it's got a tall, what is it? Is this just a filter? That's cool, the old bike.
Oh, yeah.
That's really cool. It's twin turbo.
Oh.
Is it? Or is it just exhaust? Just exhaust.
That's just exhaust.
Twin carb. Got a... That's one tall intake manifold.
Oh, he's got the bike in the back of it too.
Oh, I didn't notice. He's got a bike in the back too. That's so cool.
That yellow one's got a fuel cell in the back.
So many different colors.
I like these ratty ones.
I know, yeah, I did too. I can't do it to mine. Mine's a matching number. And I don't wanna ruin it. Ooh, it's a Big 10. I love those wheels. I need them in 8 lug. Oh, that orange.
I haven't
is
seen
pretty.
very many Fords.
Chevy, man. Chevy. It's a little gnome. It's a troll. Gnome, troll, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's pretty. I love that color so much.
I love that blue.
A baby blue or a sky blue is just awesome. Alright guys, all we came here to see is some construction equipment. It's an interesting color. Y'all, you see that squatted thing over there? Ugh. No, sir.
Come on, top.
Yeah.
I thought you come at the bag.
Oh, no, no, no. That thing's
Oh.
flat on the
I
ground.
know, I was like, you're insane.
No, the green Tahoe.
No, I thought. That's just playing with this shitty subwoofer.
Hey guys, listen to my sound system. It's the shit.
That's Walmart right there.
It's my Walmart amp, my Walmart speakers.
Walmart.
Timu subs. Fuck, it is blazing hot out here.
Where are all the Chevys?
Oh, that one's for
Not
sale.
Chevys, Fords.
If anybody's looking for a truck.
He needs that.
Hey, man. I do need another one.
Oh, I need that.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh my, look how mean she is. Dude, there's not a speck of Has this fucker even been turned on? It's so clean.
That's really clean.
It is really
Ooh.
freaking.
Y'all, look at that underside. Look at that underside.
Oh my god. Dude, there's no way they run this thing.
That's clean.
There's no way they run that.
It's a 56.
Look at that utility. Yeah. Yeah, it really sucks not having a radio on the truck. What is that?
That's a Honda.
That's a Honda?
Yeah, it's like a little suitcase. It folds up, you can carry it, and then you
What?
just like open it up and you ride it.
What?
Yeah.
I'm about to go get my fucking little bike.
They're like 600, 800 bucks, I think. They're kind of expensive,
It's kind of.
but they're cool.
That's cool, but
It's just like a
my
little
bike was
suitcase.
$800. Dude, I did not see one freaking Ford.
It's mostly Chevy though.
I see that. I don't even see no Rams. Is it Jeep event only?
Almost looks like Yellow Wolf. It just says Southeastern, Southern, or Southeastern something
This doesn't seem
truck
like
national.
a GM event. God, wish I got let me drive while you film.
Yeah, yesterday I came here and walked everywhere. It was a 30-minute video.
Definitely send me the video. My camera's still weird.
Huh?
Exhaust.
Oh, exhaust.
Oh, he's got dual.
It's turboed. That's been turboed. Okay. That shit's crazy. America. That's all fat tires. Yeah.
Oh, dude, bed panel pops up.
Oh, that's cool. Y'all ever seen anything like this? This is cool. Oh, it's got a straight 6.
No. Yeah, that's exactly what I
Is that straight 6? Oh yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, 6. Yeah, it's straight 6. That's cool, y'all. Straight 6. That's probably the original motor. This thing's really clean. That's cool. That's really cool though, seeing that straight 6 in there. 155 horsepower. You see that? 155 horsepower.
Really?
That's what it says on the block.
Well, my truck didn't push that much.
Got some rolling chassis for sale.
Y'all trying to sell a tuner? Y'all got tuners?
Oh, yeah. That's the distributor I have, that big one. What's this? I think it's fuel. I think it's a fuel pump.
It's a huge ass fuel pump. Like a trike.
Huh?
I got a three-wheeler.
The Honda?
The Honda three-wheeler. He's got the pro taper like me.
Oh,
Yeah, I know that thing's huge.
oh my lord. That's about the size turbo I'm gonna do on my car. I guarantee it's probably the same size. I'm asking. I wanna know how big that turbo is. Because the one I'm doing is 8374. You know about the truck? What size turbo is it?
That's an 8096.
8096?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's T4 flange, 8096. Factory stock bottom end 6 liter.
What are you pushing, like 800?
It's making 900 right now.
900?
It's turned.
I was close.
We got it turned down. It's capable of 4 digits. We just try to keep it street worthy.
Yeah.
Don't want to tense yourself too much.
Yeah. And you can't use the 900. Last night, I didn't get here till 11 o'clock last night. I was coming up the interstate. There's nobody around. Cross rocket passes me, so I just kind of like go back up the side. And we're probably running 80, 90, 100, somewhere in that range. And he takes off, and the second I nail it, he just blows the tires off. I mean, at 100 mile an hour, it won't even hook. So it's just not. I mean, it's fun, but unless you're on a radial, these are pointless.
Yeah, I've got a C20 that I'm trying to restore.
Heck yeah.
I've done what I could just to get it, on the road, and then now I'm trying to figure out what I need to do to it, what I want to do to it.
Yeah.
Because I'm eventually going to use it to pull my trailer.
Yep.
So
I pull trailers with this. Have y'all ever seen the truck that pulls trailers down the interstate doing all the big smoky burnouts and all that?
like the ones on the trailer and stuff. I think I've seen.
So I will pull a trailer and spin with this, and I've got a car on the trailer.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Do you have like a YouTube or?
I got YouTube and everything. That's my Instagram.
Alright.
And my YouTube is Hot Rod Homestead.
Hot Rod Homestead?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, I started a YouTube like half a year ago or so. So
how's it doing?
It's alright.
Yeah.
I got 155 followers right now. So but I just go around and like all the local meets here and stuff and just video everything. And then I eventually want to try and get into
dabbling the audio.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm known for, is doing burnouts with the camper.
I've seen that.
I'm pretty sure I've seen this. There's no doubt that I haven't seen this before.
Yeah, and that's my YouTube channel right there.
Okay.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, check it out.
Let me get it out.
So,
Yeah, dude.
And nobody recognizes the truck without the trailer.
As soon as I saw the sticker, I was like, I've seen that before.
yeah.
Yeah, that's us.
Oh, dude, that's badass.
Yeah, this,
We
guys,
have a
this
lot
is
of
so
fun,
cool.
Like everywhere we go.
That's the only way to do it.
Yeah. I got a trans brake on it now, so it'll sit there and just bounce off the chip, like on the starting line or whatever. It's dumb. It's crazy. Like it's a lot of fun.
Heck yeah.
Alright.
I appreciate your time talking to us about it,
Anytime,
man.
man.
I really appreciate it.
Love the truck, man.
guys so much.
My YouTube is Cowboy 2.5 VW.
Okay.
I've got a Volkswagen Jetta that I'm building to push 1,000 horsepower
Heck
in.
yeah.
So it's gonna be a process, but
Yeah.
it's gonna get done. And then I've got the truck. I've also got a late 50s Jaguar Mark 8
Heck yeah.
in my backyard that hopefully I get to
That'll
at
be
some
awesome.
point.
Yeah.
But,
My square just blew the fuck up, so.
I get it.
Yeah.
I totally get it, man. They're all fun, dude.
Popped the coolant,
yeah.
kept going down the road, went to the gas station, went to put some gas in it. Everything's cool, nothing's leaking out the bottom. Went to start it back up, nothing. You can't even hear the click of the battery, the fuel pump,
Oh,
nothing.
no.
I said, oh, no. I walked up, dude, my whole engine started smoking. Damn. Fun time.
That's a truck right there, y'all.
Also Ford problem.
I told him he needs to buy a Chevy.
Chevy's the way to go.
First on race day.
I don't know. Both of my grandparents retired from General Motors, and they told me when I was a little bitty, they said Chevrolet put dinner on the table. It's gonna get me back and forth to work too. So that's where I stuck with.
Yeah, my mom's side of the family was in the Pontiac business
Oh,
for
yeah?
60 years.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, we had them, and then we sold everything off before Pontiac went under and
Yeah.
went bankrupt, so
Yeah.
that we didn't get fucked. And
I've heard some stuff that they're trying to come back with a new concept car.
it's a rumor.
Yeah.
It's a rumor. I think
All
they're
that
trying to
stuff.
bring back like the Trans Am. Well, I know there was a concept Trans Am that they came out with that had like the Camaro body style.
Yeah.
But I don't like how all these manufacturers, they're using everybody else's ideas.
Well, they're taking all the older muscle looks and
Yeah.
bubbling them out.
Yeah.
And it's just like destroying. Like the newer Broncos, I hate them. I can't stand the look of the newer.
I can't
Broncos.
like them, and everybody in my family owns one.
I will never have one. I had my old Bronco. It's the only one I'll have.
You know, I never having a new Bronco. See, I gotta find some rim paint like that.
But I
That is
appreciate it,
cool.
man. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Safe travels, pal.
Same to you.
Like, you see how shiny his black is? I need to find a paint like that. My shit's too fucking matte.
Yeah, you should do metallic.
Oh,
Oh,
oh
I got that on camera.
yeah. Oh yeah.
That was dope.
Oh yeah.
Oh my lord. I gotta switch hands. My hand's going numb. Bro!
Oh, what the hell?
Look at that. Yo, that is so
That
cool.
is cool as shit. I want to build one for Sage. I want to build one.
I
Lane.
should do that with the Barbie car I have. Nah, I'm doing actual like.
That's a lot of shit, though.
You mind holding these stickers for a minute? My fucking hands numb. I grabbed a drink from the gas station before I pulled up.
That's
It's probably gonna be hot as fuck when I get back to the.
They're supposed to have. Yeah, they got some stuff over there. Oh, got a drink?
If you want.
I think he was thirsty.
Oh, I'm definitely thirsty. I ain't no doubt about it. It's really hot out. Fresh squeezed lemonade, y'all. Oh. From here?
I guess.
Or is it? They have drink prices? No, just food stuff.
Oh, they got coolers, so they got drinks.
Hopefully they're not too much.
How we doing?
Do you have any drink buckets?
Yeah, they're right there.
How much are they?
They're 1 for 2 or 3 for 5.
Cash only?
Like the card, if you do the 5, it's $5 in.
Pick you one.
Yeah.
What do you want?
What's this? Yeah. I appreciate it.
No problem. Stick those in your bag. Thanks, sir. I'll look another one that's about your color. Looks like it's a little bit goldish.
Oh, we can stay here for a minute if you want.
I'd still use this drink.
I don't know. What's the entertainment pavilion?
Oh, I like that green. That green works. I'll go in the motor. I'll have a Chevy to put it in.
That's just going the Ford.
That's what we do. It's a Camaro motor.
It's a small. Shit. Oh,
What?
my hand's numb.
Put your stickers
I have
in your
carpal
pocket.
tunnel.
Put your stickers in your back pocket.
I'm a super freak.
That's good.
Future goals, y'all. Future goals. Future goals, y'all. Y'all go follow this guy. His Instagram and YouTube is mentioned. I'll put his stuff down below too as well. That way y'all go follow him. If you're not already following him, go check him out. If y'all like burnouts and trucks doing burnouts with trailers being pulled, go check him out.